Hello all, welcome to the day 38 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. A bookstore shopkeeper gives books on rent for reading. He has a variety of books in his store related to fiction, stories, quizzes, etc. He takes a fixed charge for the first 2 days and an additional charge for the subsequent days. Amrita paid rupees 22 for a book and kept it for 6 days, while Radhika paid rupees 16 for keeping the book for 4 days. Assume that the fixed charge is rupees X and the additional charge per day is rupees Y. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. Question 1. Represent the amount paid by Radhika algebraically. Radhika had kept the book for 4 days and she has paid rupees 16. The 4 days can be split as 2 plus 2. The first 2 days will be charged rupees X, that's the fixed charge, and the next 2 days per day it is charged as Y, so this will become 2Y. The equation is X plus 2Y is equal to 16. This is the first equation. Question 2. Represent the amount paid by Amrita algebraically. Amrita had borrowed the book for 6 days and she has paid rupees 22. The 6 days can be split as 2 plus 4. For the first 2 days, the charges is rupees X, and for the next 4 days, every day will be charged Y, so it is 4Y. The equation becomes X plus 4Y is equal to 22. This is equation. Question 3. What are the fixed charges for a book? Fixed charges is represented by the letter X. So we have to take both the equations and solve. Here let's try to eliminate Y. To do that, let's multiply the first equation by 2. So the first equation becomes 2x plus 4y is equal to 32. And with that, we will subtract the second equation. Second equation is x plus 4y is equal to 22. So x is equal to 10. So the fixed charges is rupees 10. Question 4. What are the additional charges for each subsequent day for a book? That is, here we have to calculate y. Now substituting x in any one of these equations. So let's go for equation 1. 10 plus 2y is equal to 16. 2y is 16 minus 10, that is 6, and y is equal to 3. Additional charge per day is equal to rupees 3. Question 5. What is the total amount paid by both if both of them kept the book for 2 more days? Amrita has paid rupees 22 for holding the book for 6 days. With this, we have to add 2 more days, that is 2y, which is rupees 22 plus 2 times 3, that is 22 plus 6, which is rupees 28. Radhika has already paid rupees 16 plus now 2 days extra, which attracts y rupees. So 16 plus 2 times 3, which is 16 plus 6, that is rupees 22. Total of these two, that is 28 and 22, is rupees 50. So the total amount to be paid is rupees 50 if both of them had kept the books for 2 more days. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.